Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 56029 Custom Vehicle to Trailer Wiring Harness for the 2008 Honda Element. Open the driver's side door and remove the access panel underneath the steering wheel by turning the locking knobs 90 degrees counterclockwise. Locate the vehicle wiring harness to the left of the steering column, taped to another harness. Insert the custom wiring harness 10-pin connector with the black converter box into the vehicle's wiring harness connector. Make sure the connectors are fully inserted with the locking tabs in place. Next, locate a suitable grounding point near the connector, such as an existing screw with a nut in the vehicle's frame, or drill a 3/32 inch pilot hole for the provided screw. The area should be free of rust, dirt, and paint. Secure the white ground wire using the ring terminal and the provided screw. Locate a flat spot inside the vehicle underneath the dash. Adhere the black converter box using the provided double-sided tape. Next, install the red 10 amp fuse into the red inline fuse holder. Make sure the cover is securely in place. Open the tailgate and remove the cargo area floor cover to access the spare tire area. On the driver's side, locate the vehicle wiring harness. It will be mounted to the rear scuff panel. Remove the protective cover. Insert the CURT wiring harness into the vehicle's harness, making sure the connectors are fully inserted with the locking tabs in place. When you're ready to tow, route the 4-flat connector out of the tailgate and towards the trailer hitch. When you're not towing, roll up the 4-flat connector and store it conveniently in the cargo area near the spare tire. Reinstall the cargo area floor covering and make sure the rubber 4-flat cover is installed over the harness to protect the connector. That completes the installation of the 56029 Custom Vehicle to Trailer Wiring Harness on the 2008 Honda Element. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have the power to bring it.